Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Mastering Accounting Skills YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss another important topic, that is reconciliation. Okay, reconciliation of trial balance key accounts. So this I will explain you that how at the end of each month we can maintain all key account reconciliation in one file. This is my reconciliation file as on 28 February 2021. Just we will make it big. Okay, so here I have different sheets for my trial balance main key accounts. Okay, I have AR reconciliation, AP reconciliation, my PDCs from the customers reconciliation. Okay, PDCs issued, inventory reconciliation. So all these main key accounts I have make my reconciliation here in this one file. Okay, so now first of all we will come to AP reconciliation. Okay, this sheet I have maintained. Here are the particulars and each month, Jan, Feb, March. Okay, so in each month I will update this and I will reconcile my AR balance as per in the trial balance. Here I will explain you. Here this is my opening balance for the Jan. Okay, and the closing balance for Jan, it will become my opening balance in Feb. Okay, 3692310. Okay, so my closing balance here, it will be my opening balance for March, right? It's very simple. So how I am reconciling my accounts, I have my opening balance here. In my AR opening balance I will add my sales. Okay, the sales figure, any VAT I have charged to my customers, I will add it. PDC is returned, any checks bounced from the customers, okay, that I will add up to my balance. Any other gain I have, some gain, other gain, some discount, or some incentive or anything I am gaining from my customer, so this it will come here. If there is any cash refund. Okay, there are some customers, some customers, they are not maintaining their books of account properly. So what they are doing, and at the time of making payment, sometimes they pay us more than their balance. Okay, so their account will go to the negative. So if anything like this happen, we will add this here also. Okay, then after adding all these things I will get this figure, 4.4 million, 4.468 million. Okay, now from this I will make less my PDC's collection. Okay, whatever checks I have collected from the customers, PDCs means post dated checks. Okay, and any cash collection is there, any exchange. What is exchange? Exchange means if anything, for any customer, I may have a supplier account also and a customer account also. Okay, so what normally some companies are preferring, instead of making payment, just to adjust this as an exchange. Okay, adjust the purchase with the customer. Okay, your supplier you can adjust with the customer. So these are the amounts what I have exchanged with my suppliers. Okay, then any discount I give to my customer, I will make it less. Okay, and any other loss or PDC correction, I have received one check from one customer, I have entered it at 1000 dirham, but its exact amount was 1050. So in future when I check in my bank, when I presented that check in my bank and I see that this check is cleared as 1050 and I have entered this check by as a wrong data entry, 1000 dirham, so I need to add 50 dirham, I need to less 50 dirham more from this customer. Okay, so if anything correction is there, I will make it less advances to the employees. Okay, what we have, sometimes we are selling our products to our customers, sorry, employees. Okay, like we have a medicine company, and we are sometimes our employee, for their personal use, they are taking the medicine. So when we are going to make invoice for them, so this invoice becomes our sales. Okay, and it will generate some receivable balance from that employee as a customer. So what we do, these small amounts, sometimes our company, it will not cut from the employee same time. Maybe after 1 or 2 months, employee will pay all whatever he purchased from the company. So what we are doing, we will make less from the customer, and we will transfer this balance to employee's personal loan account. Okay, so when so that at the time of salary payment, we can deduct this from the employee account. Okay, we will not keep this balance in the customer, because this employee, we will not treat as a customer. And if we are going to make salary payment, so what we do, we will go to employee personal loan account. We will not go and check in the customer accounts. Okay, so that's why, to keep employee receivable amount in one ledger, we transfer this customer account to the employee personal loan account. Okay, so anything from the customer balance, we are transferring to advances to employees, that also we will deduct here. And finally we will get this figure. Okay, you understand, now you understand, this is the opening balance. Okay, there is no any complicated formula, just simple things, adding and deducting. Okay, adding whatever is increasing my customer balance. I have my sales figure, I'm getting from this from my software, I can easily get it. I output VAT, what I have charged to my customer, I can easily get it. Okay, this PDC is returned. This is from where coming, this I have my PDC received reconciliation. Okay, see here, this PDCs, how many checks returned, I have this in my PDC reconciliation file. So this figure will come to here AR, and I can get this figure here, and any customer who has paid us more than their balance. Okay, so like this I already explained you. So all this we will add to, okay, this opening balance plus add plus this. Okay, so this figure will come total receivable from customers, and this is the what we have collected, checks from the customer, cash collection, exchange amounts. Finally our closing balance after deducting from this 4.468 million, this 620,000, 70,000, 84,000, we will get this figure 3692. Okay, then I will go to my trial balance, and I will copy my AR total balance from here. This is my trial balance. I will show you year to date trial balance, year to date Feb. Okay, if you go to year to date trial balance, here my AR balance, this is year to date Jan, and this is year to date Feb. Okay, so how much my Jan balance is coming? 3.692 million. Okay, so same I will copy and I will paste here, and after that I will put one formula here, that this my closing balance less this trial balance closing balance. Okay, so it means my this reconciliation is 100% matching with my trial balance. Okay, there is no different. Like this in Feb, same thing I will do. I will go each month and I will update my sheet. In March I will do this also, February. So each month end I will reconcile my AR. So why these reconciliation are important? Sometimes when you are updating, you are going to close the month and you are recording the transactions. sometimes due to network error or due to any software error, sometimes it will make some transaction, it will not completely record. Okay, so that's why how to trace that transactions, how to trace the data entry mistakes, how to trace all these things, you need to maintain this reconciliation file. Same format for AP reconciliation. Okay, AP, we have the opening balance in Jan this much, whatever we have purchased from our suppliers. Okay, this is 717,469, this I bring from here. Okay, 717,000 my Jan purchase is there. Okay, and this from figure from where I took, it is coming in my trial balance. Come to the trial balance and verify this amount. Is it the same I have purchased from my Jan? Okay, this is my trial balance year to date Jan. Come to the purchase, see this figure, this is my purchase account, and I have 717,469. Okay, what I do, I took these figures and I copy it in my reconciliation file here. Okay, here you can see my sales coming Jan, and then year to date sales. Okay, year to date means including the previous month also. Okay, 965, and this is year to date purchase, this is year to date sales. Okay, here I have sales in February 1223 935 plus this, so 2189762 is my year to date sales, and this is the sales only for the month of February, and this is the purchase only for the month of February, and this is year to date purchase, mean from Jan plus Feb. Okay, so this I will these figures I can easily take from my trial balance for my reconciliation, and it will automatically come here. Okay, I will put just formula that copy this figure from my sales and purchase, this figure. Okay, so 717,469, it is coming here. Got it? So this is my opening balance for Jan. Then this balance coming, I will add my purchase, other expenses, if any expenses other than the products, I have other expenses from the suppliers, freight or other things, I will add it here. Input VAT charge from the suppliers. Okay, after adding all these things to my opening balance, I will get this figure 1629919. Okay, now I need to deduct whatever payments I issued. I have issued some post dated checks to my suppliers. From where it is coming, I have my AP PDC's issued reconciliation. Okay, so here I have how many checks I have issued, 509,000. Okay, and what is the detail for this? This is from E35. I have detailed description for all of these checks. This is 509,345 dirham. Okay, so each supplier name, the check number, the check date, and the check issue date, and how much the amount. Okay, during the month of Jan, I have issued these checks to my suppliers. It is coming in my PDC's issued reconciliation. So same figure I will bring here to reconcile my AP balance. So 509,000 is there, and cash payment or same month check means in the PDCs what checks what I have issued, it is the post dated checks which are not going to clear in the current month. Okay, so this that checks are will come here, and whatever cash payment I am making or any check for the current dated check I am giving to my supplier, it will not come in the PDCs issued. Okay, because this we issued as a current dated check, so that figure we will also deduct from our supplier balance. And exchange adjustments, same this 84368 is my exchange adjustment in AR and AP. See, the same figure we are adjusting customers, we are adjusting with the suppliers. Okay, after deducting this, I will get this my final balance, and this final balance I will match with my trial balance. So what is in my trial balance, I will go and verify is it the same amount in my Jan trial balance 1029706. Come here and review where is my AP. This is my accounts payable. Okay, accounts payable, it is showing 901245, and how much it is showing here, sorry, this is Jan, that is December. Okay, so in my Jan, how much my AP is showing in my Jan trial balance, accounts payable balance is 1029706, this one. Okay, so if you go and check this figure here, 1029706. okay, this is my closing balance in the trial balance, and there is no difference here. Okay, like this every month you reconcile this, so it will make all your data perfect. Okay, if anything wrong, you can trace this transaction and you can go to the details why this difference is coming. So this is the PDCs received. Okay, PDCs received in the month of Jan, I have 1.738 million my opening balance. Okay, I have these PDCs from customers, post dated checks from my customer in my hand. Okay, some for the means now I am in this is my Jan closing, so it means these all checks are for February, some March, some April, May, June. Okay, in UAE this is very common practice that people are not giving you the cash payments. Cash payments are very less, maybe 10% or 15% from your customer you can get the cash payments. Okay, otherwise most businesses, they are issuing PDC checks for 30 days, for 60 days, for 90 days, for 120 days, for 150 days, means different payment terms different businesses are dealing with. Okay, so this these are the PDCs what we have collected additionally. Okay, so this my software is providing me how much checks I have collected. Okay, and how much PDCs cleared in the bank. Okay, in during the month of Jan. Okay, I may have 550,000 dirham PDC checks. Okay, some of that cleared, some of that bounced. Okay, not cleared. So what checks bounced, I need to remove from my customer. I need to make it as a increase his balance. Okay, sorry, and this is PDCs cleared in the bank. Okay, I will whatever checks I have in my hand in this opening balance, it was 1.7 million 541,000. It is actually cleared in my bank. I have collected these amounts, and these are the PDCs I make the bounce entry, check bounce entry. Okay, so it will also remove from the PDCs custom received balance. After that, finally I will get this figure, and then I will go and I will copy my balance from the trial balance. This is coming in Jan 1.71 million. Okay, go and verify is it the same in the trial balance. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, 1.710 million I have PDCs in my trial balance. So in my reconciliation file, it is also reflecting the same. Okay, like this I have also my PDC issued. Okay, PDCs issued, post dated checks issued to the suppliers or other parties. So here this is my opening balance for the PDCs issued. Okay, as on 31st Jan 2021 I have this much balance, and how many checks I have additionally issued. Okay, PDCs newly issued, this is the detail, and this is the total amount what I have issued. If you want to check the details, how many which supplier I have issued, okay, here the beneficiary name coming, check number, check date. So this is, here I have all the details. Okay, and after adding this to my PDC opening, it will become this 3.159. okay, this is the total figure I have to pay my supplier. But how much I have paid from my bank, okay, this I can get from my bank reconciliation. Okay, and also from my check register I can get this amount which checks I have paid from my bank. Okay, 560,000, and the details also I am maintaining my details on monthly basis. Okay, this 560254.30, these are the checks which have the maturity date. See all the maturity dates for these checks. PDCs paid from the bank. So all the maturity dates for these checks are for Jan. Okay, so it means during Jan supplier has presented these checks to my bank account and it is cleared from there. Okay, so 560,000, this is the actually PDCs which are paid from my bank account. After that, this is the final balance coming, 2599604. So I will go to my trial balance and I will verify this balance, is it the same what I am getting in my reconciliation file. Come here and review, where is my PDC. This is the notes payable to the suppliers. Okay, so this is the PDC's issued amount. You can verify this, 2599604. So same amount coming here. It means I do not have any difference in my trial balance and my actual accounts. So everything for my PDC is also verified. Okay, now come to the inventory reconciliation. Inventory reconciliation, how we are making, we have our opening inventory plus year to date purchase plus any discount received, then year to date cost of sales. This cost of sales from where coming, this I have cost of sales reconciliation also here. Okay, my opening inventory plus the purchase, year to date purchase, discount received, this then this figure will come 1.369, 1.336. Okay, and from this I will deduct my ending inventory. Ending inventory, from where I am getting my ending inventory, it is coming from this sheet, inventory Jan closing J100084. Come to here, this is my inventory detail sheet. Okay, product wise I have my inventory here. Okay, come to the bottom, it is 513649. This is the closing report of my inventory at the end of Jan. As on 31st Jan 2021 I took this report for my closing purposes, and I bring this file to my reconciliation file just to verify the things that everything is going perfectly. So after deducting this, I will get, this is my cost of sales. Okay, so cost of sales, simple formula, everyone, one of you knows that opening plus purchase plus any discount you received less the ending inventory, so you will get your cost of sales. So this cost of sales figure, it will go to reconcile your inventory here. Okay, so opening inventory plus the purchases plus any discount you receive from the supplier, and this is total figure coming 1.3 million less the cost of sales. So this is your closing inventory 513649. You can verify this with this sheet also, and also you need to verify this with the trial balance. So come here and check in trial balance how much your inventory. In the trial balance, this is my trial ending inventory, okay, 513649 in my balance sheet. Okay, you can verify in the balance sheet my ending inventory 513649. Okay, so you are verifying everything with your final accounts, your trial balance, your balance sheet, your P&L. Okay, so everything you are reconciling with this. So these reconciliations, it will help you if you are maintaining this on every month, and so you can make sure if there is any data entry, if there is any software error, if there is anything for the network error, and you are some transaction is not recorded completely, some of the effects your software is taking and some is not taking, any data entry mistake or everything, you can figure it out here. Any check you have recorded less, or if you are maintaining all these reconciliation, you can easily figure it out. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this. Now in my next video we are going to discuss the AR and AP individual reconciliation. I will tell you, if you have thousands of customer and you have hundreds of suppliers, how within 10 minutes you can finish your individual reconciliation. Okay, this is the general ledger reconciliation. Okay, we reconciled our general ledger, but if we want to make this reconciliation for each customer wise, maybe we have thousands of customers, but we want to reconcile all customers in this scenario, how we can do it individually, each customer, how we can reconcile. I will tell you one simple sheet. Within 10 minutes you can make this reconciliation with the help of some advanced Excel formula. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I hope you enjoy this. Stay connected and give me your feedback also. Thank you so much.